Hey, what's up guys? Today, or I should say tonight. Oh, also, by the way, sorry that we haven't put out a video recently. We've all been really busy. So usually when we hang out, we'll forget to film and yeah, so on. But yeah, tonight I wanted to show you guys how to fix leaks. If you have any leaks around your taillights and you get water in your trunk, this is a good way to fix part of that problem. I saw a video on how to do this once and I haven't done it yet, so hopefully it works. I got some butyl tape. You can get it online or you can get it from your local dealership. It's usually used for sealing windows and stuff of that sort, but I've seen people on YouTube, well, I've seen one person do this, so hopefully it works. The butyl tape roll of it was like 12 bucks. So yeah, first thing you want to do is remove the taillights. On a Mark III Volkswagen, there's 3. So we're gonna go ahead and move those real quick. The taillight's out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean around here. This is where the butyl tape will be going. I didn't bring any alcohol or anything to clean it out with me, so I'm just going to use some rags that I have in my car and just kind of wipe it off the best I can. Alright, so I got it all cleaned off. Luckily, there was a wet rag in my car from all the water leaking in and getting the rag all wet. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut sections of this off and then try to put it on there. I don't really know where to put the camera. I've definitely seen thicker online. I didn't realize how thin this was when I got it from Volkswagen, but it should work. I heard it's pretty stretchy. I'm gonna try to do that. Yeah, I don't have a place to put the camera right now, and my girlfriend is walking the dog, so she doesn't want to hold the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on there and then show you guys what it looks like. Calvin. So yeah, it's pretty stretchy. Definitely not as thick as I would like to, but so you can see, you kind of just put it over the rim like that. I'm going to keep going all the way around, and then I'm also going to do around where it bolts into also, so that'll help. But yeah, mainly around the top. This is it all sealed up. I put a little bit extra up top, a little extra on the bottom. I'm going to go around the bolts when it's in though, like after I bolt it in. So, also a lot of people have been asking me about my taillights. I'll put a video up in a second of them on, but they're the Hella all silver tails, which are pretty rare. I got them really cheap for like 30 bucks because they're cracked and got some scrapes and stuff. I think in good condition they go for like $2.50 a set. But yeah, so the lenses on the top fell off. So since they were off, I was just like, oh, what can I do with it that would make it cool? Kind of give it my own thing. There's a bunch of different stuff that I'm going to do with this that you don't really see done to Mark IIIs. You see more done to like drift cars and stuff. But yeah, so I put, well, my friend Brian and I cut up some black vinyl in shapes of hearts and stars and stuck it to the inside before I put the lenses back on and sealed them up. So I think it looks pretty cool. When the turn signal goes off, you can see all the stars and hearts and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to throw this back in now, see how it works. So this side's done. You can see the tape going around the inside. Yeah, I could do a better job, but for now this will do. It'll help. I'm definitely going to do the top part up here too. Just put like a nice little, quick bead up there. And then I'm going to do the other side before it gets too dark. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then tomorrow during the day I'm going to do a water test. I'm also going to do a new bead going along my rear window of my Euro hatch, just because there's a few rust spots and I feel like water's still getting in right there. So it's probably a really weird angle for you guys, but yeah, so I'm going to finish this up. They're both in. Tomorrow morning I'm going to try to get a clip of them or try to get a clip of the taillights to see if they're leaking. I'm gonna pour some water on top of the hatch and see if it trickles down inside the car. I'm also gonna do this section some other time. It's too dark right now to do that tonight. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys real quick the taillights. This is the side that's a little bit more rough. It's got the broken heart, and this is the better side. I like it. Definitely matches the feel of what I'm gonna go with for this car. Yeah, so tomorrow we'll do a water leak test. All right, guys, what's up? It's tomorrow, so now I'm gonna do the water test.
Where the water at?
So I'm gonna pour water all over.
Come on, Devon. Hey!
Yo, dude, don't even worry about the cops, dude. Get out of here, copper.
Go ahead, cop. Act like it dealt.
So yeah, hopefully water doesn't go in. I'm gonna pour some down here. All over there, get some water.
Ooh. Make it damn.
It's probably still gonna leak because this is a real shitty water test, but I don't know. If you do this and water gets in your trunk, then blame yourself. Don't blame me. You did it wrong, not me. I don't see any water coming in. Yeah, I think we're good. I don't see any water coming in, but that might not have been enough water. So yeah, so that should wrap it up. So we'll see you guys in the next video. We have some cool ideas for some videos coming up. Yeah, I know that you guys really like the cop car. That's where a lot of our new subscribers came from. So we're gonna do another video on the cop car soon.
Rip my ear.
Oh, dude.
Rip my ear, bro.
Someone was resisting arrest and hit his ear.
Got them shoes, dog. What you need?
Dang. So yeah, we got some cool
Act
ideas.
like adults out here.
We got some cool ideas for some videos coming
Act like
up
a damn adult.
that we're gonna do soon. I'm on my way to Mark 1 Madness right now to check out the Saturday night action that's going on there. But yeah, hopefully this works out for you guys. I'll have a better idea if it's gonna leak or not when it rains. I still gotta do up here, like I said. So I'll do that later this week. Hopefully that'll stop water from getting in my trunk. All right, thanks guys for watching. Have a good night.